sucking up all the nutrients, fat fuck. I was 3.5 fucking pounds and nearly died.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
that's crazy.
I was literally dying, bro.
That's how much my fucking kitten weighed when I got it. Wait, so how'd they beef you up?
I need Trent after this. I'm going home and pinning Trent.
Bro, come on, man. Fucking walk away for 2 seconds.
I don't think you're supposed to do that. Pawns can, yeah. I think you're supposed to put on the black. Cause yours is black. I won. I won the game. I just killed all your men with a nuclear bomb.
I couldn't sleep because
bro,
of your
girl
mom,
be
bro.
liking when you moan.
No, okay.
I be whispering in my girl ear like, hear that? You're gonna die in a Mount Olympus, buddy. I'm fucking insane! How come I know all these dieting tips and hacks, but I don't know the hack to get a fucking beautiful woman?